I'm bringing a problem where similar to like laws of motion, no, it is. Here, what happened? I'm going to set up a pulse, and what will happen? There'll be tension. They will accelerate. Can you imagine situation? We are making the wave to propagate on a string or on a rope where the rope is going to accelerate. Are you getting the idea? We are making, what is it? How much of time the pulse will take to move from the block to the pulley. What is the state of the rope? Rope is accelerating. That's the only thing here. First, we'll get the acceleration, tension, acceleration, then we'll see what we can do further. How much of length the pulse has to. Okay, first we'll calculate the tension. This will be acceleration m1g by m1 plus m2. Tension equal to m2a. Okay, this is what tension are, not time taken, time period. Tension in rope. Let me call this rope. It's a accelerating rope. Okay, fine. Let me just alert it. It's not a something fixed rope, accelerating rope. Okay, now what is the speed of the wave with respect to rope? Should be T by mu. Length of the string is mass per unit length of the string. What is this? Speed of the wave. Rope or a string, both are same. And what is the tension? We know the tension. Let me call this as V. It'll be easy for us every time. Okay, now I'll jump into the mathematics. What is the mathematics? Velocity of wave with respect to rope equal to velocity of wave with respect to ground minus velocity of rope with respect to ground. I think this is okay. Do we know velocity of wave with respect to rope? Yes, that is V. Velocity of wave with respect to ground. So finally, in the ground means with respect to ground, how much of distance it will cover? L, no? Because at t equals 0, the wave is generated here. After some time t, it will arrive here. So by the time when the block is somewhere here, that the pulse will reach at this particular point. Okay, this one, this will be. So now velocity of wave with respect to ground, what happens should be dl by dt. What about velocity of rope? Velocity of the blocks should be the velocity of rope. The speed of the blocks should be the speed of the rope. And what is it? What type of motion the blocks are describing? What type of motion the blocks is describing? Uniform accelerated motion. So what is the speed of the rope? Speed of the rope with respect to ground should be this much. All are towards right. All the things are towards right. So naturally they'll be positive. So dl by So let me go for next part. We know all the things. Acceleration is a constant. What is v? Speed of the wave with respect to rope. Okay, let me go for the integrating. What should be the limit? 0 to L. Okay, this will become AT square minus 2VT plus 2VT minus 2L equals 0. Quadratic equation, let me solve this. T is equal to minus 2V plus or minus B square minus 4AC should be, okay, 8AL by 2A. I should take positive value, no? B by A. Okay, positive value. It will come like this. What we can do? Yeah, okay. Root it will be 4V square. I think 4 if I take outside, 4 if I take outside, this will become, and A I'll send inside. This will be your answer. Okay, now what is the thing? Time of traverse. This much of time. Again, what we should do? What is V? V is what? We have to substitute that value, T, everything. Only I just ended up here. What is A? Yes, A is acceleration. You go back to the wedge constraint. You get so many problems where you tension the string, you can find out. There I can generate a wave, no? Are you getting now? Unlimited problems. Pulley constraints, go back to the pulley constraints. You have a string there, generate a pulse, then try to discuss the problem. There's the idea. You should, without this, I think not possible. Huh? You must think, there's the idea. So I think every problem, I'm starting with this one, no? This is what is helping us. You just open textbook, no, this is missing. They will directly write this equation. They'll directly write this equation. So students will think that, okay, you have to remember for this particular problem, you have to remember. You are not learning. This is what happens. I think I posted in a WhatsApp group, no, the booklet, waves and so on. Solved example is available. They've directly started from here. How it is possible? What is the meaning of this? How you got it? Okay, now somehow you have to assume. This is what missing. In the textbooks, the content, what happened, what all you have, there won't be suitable explanation. Means the exact reason what happened will not be there. The author wanted to give information, that's all. 90% of content what happened, we have to put effort. Why only this equation like this? So this is the thing. Check once. Okay, similarly this.